Microphone test, testing. Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Holistic Jordan and we're back again with another video. Yeah, today I'm out in the park. I'm literally about to do an unboxing. I have some rings. As you know, I'm into calisthenics. I love training calisthenics, and I've been doing most of my workouts on the bar, pull-ups, muscle-ups, doing core. But one thing which I've neglected is using the rings. So the rings, once you set them up, once you get on the rings, they're gonna be quite unstable. So I know that I need to incorporate some of the ring calisthenic workouts into my routine for me to get stronger. So that's what it's about, man. We gotta get stronger. Yeah, so I'm in the park, and I'm gonna try to get the rings over the bar, but as you can see, it's really high up. So if I move back, we'll see what I need. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get these over and set them up, just to see how they are, test them out. I might have to climb on my bike to do it, but yeah, this might be a fail. I don't know. But unboxing. I got them from Gravity Fitness. Shout out Gravity Fitness. And yeah, let's unbox them. It's like a little unboxing video. Okay. So these are the rings. So I know I'm going to be learning how to do false grip, all of that stuff, but I'm on a journey to get stronger, people. To become stronger. Yeah. Okay, I actually don't know how to do this. Okay, so it comes with a little instruction manual. Okay, assembly instructions. Box contents: 2 straps and 2 wooden rings. Step 1, press the buckle. Press the buckle. So the buckle. Press the buckle. So
a few moments later.
Okay. So let me take that off first. I might have to watch a video real quick, how to set up some rings. As you can see, I'm struggling, people. Yeah, I must search up how to set up the Gravity Fitness rings, because no, don't blow away, please. Gravity Fitness rings instructions. Okay, let me watch this video.
Just got your first rings. If you don't know how to set them up, follow this, throw it into the rope.
Okay, so it's basically saying to take this out. Hello, man. Okay, so I need to get this over the bar. There's the buckle. That's the buckle. And it's basically saying I need to... I think I'm just stupid, you know. Nah, I'm thinking, yo, he's just saying to... Alright, do you know, like... Alright, I'm taking it back. Oh, cowboy time. There we go. Let me get the other one as well. So it's like a little strap, and that just falls out. Okay, come on. Okay, we're getting there. Yeah, actually, through which side do I have to put this through? One sec. Wait, so... So rope over the bar, and then put the rope through the ring, but what side of the... I think like at this height, but so feed it through. And then feed this. Okay, I think, does it go from here? Hey, okay. Alright, I think I got the first one in. What number did I put this at? Number 10. Oh. Where did this fall? Man, let me get this back up. Okay, I'm kind of stuck. This is supposed to be a simple setup video. Man, Jordan, man, come on, you got this. Okay, so put it through. comfortable. I think I'm ready to go now. I need to zoom in a bit. Okay, so we got the ring sorted. We made it, man. I'm just gonna go up into a dip. Hey, there we go. Yeah, the ring's so good. Let me just do. Okay. Bear with me, okay? Hey, the ring's so good. Okay, I'm getting used to them. As you can see, it's quite unstable, so I'm gonna have to adapt and get used to it. But yeah, the sun's shining, man. When it's weather like this, training outdoors is a must. Ring muscle up. Kind of, it's like that. Come on. Okay, and that is me setting up the calisthenic rings. Shout out Gravity Fitness for the rings. Yeah, I like the quality of them. The wooden rings are very sturdy, and yeah, it actually is simple to feed the rope through and then attach it, but I'm just quite slow, so yeah. But we've got that set up, and yeah, you'll see more workouts of me using the rings, but I'm definitely going to incorporate it in my workout. Alright, let's get excited. Let me do. Also, before I wrap up the video, I'm just going to show you how to just adjust the levels. So I adjusted one of them. I'm just going to do the other one, and we'll do some pull-ups. So I press the belt buckle, and then I just move it up like that. Let me do a pull-up. Alright, let's practice some press-ups with rings. You can do rows as well. Yeah, this was good. This was really good. You can do rows, pull-ups, you can do abs, muscle-ups, literally everything on the rings. You can even do wow. Practice knee tucks and then controlling it because you're quite unstable, but this is good. This could be really good. It's going to target your muscles differently. So I'm quite excited to use the rings as we're going forward with the calisthenic training, but this is definitely a good investment. If you want to get into calisthenics, I recommend doing some training on the rings as well, incorporating that into your workout. So for me, I've been doing calisthenics for like a year now, but I've never actually bought rings and done training on rings like that. So yeah, now that I actually have my own pair of rings, I'm going to be coming down to the park and doing some workouts. So stay tuned for that. That's the video. Holistic Jordan. Stay tuned for more content, calisthenics, medicine, mindset, all of that. And I'll see you all in the next YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.